kumukulo yung dugo mo, sinong talo? Diba? It's our nature to love. Sabi ni Disraeli, love is the principle of our existence and its only end. Therefore, if we fail to love, we become less a person. Yan ang sinabi ni Gandhi na we should not stoop down to their level to hate them. Hindi tayo bababa sa level nila na i-hate natin sila. Kasi it's a simple analogy. Minura ka ng siraulo at minura mo rin yung siraulo, what makes of you? Correct, siraulo. Diba? See, it's our nature to love. That is why, one of the wonderful things that I have, the invitations that I have in these past days is that I was invited by the Civil Service Regional Office to talk to government employees. Kasi bihira po yun na pari ang mai-invite. Kasi kung minsan may religious bias eh. Kaya nung nagbigay po ako ng team building, ang isang very affirming na sinabi ng maraming mga participants, sabi namin, akala namin kasi pari yung magbibigay, akala namin religion lahat yung pag-usapan, hindi pala facts of life pala, no? And we relate in that level, our humanity, we share that humanity, our Christianity, no? Andun tayo, and every time